820 DDLP model. This 6.2 kgs. 6.2 kg means water and cloth to weight only, not water weight. Okay, you put in 12 cloths at a time. This detergent box, this dust collector. You weekly once, you weekly twice use it, or weekly once you clean it. This one. Press power button. I'm showing the fuzzy. You want change the program, you press this one. Which program you want, select it, and start button. Depend upon cloth weight, automatic time also everything is come. You want manual, so you want pressing, you press washing button, program, and rinse. You would, which program you want, select it and start it. If any program you want, first power button pressing, select the program, after you start the button. One program button is here. This depend upon your convenient. You want silent, you select one, pressing program button, silent. Next one, quick wash, less clothes, less dust, you select quick wash, only woolen clothes, jeans. Next one, soaking. One water level automatic is coming. Guess you want selecting on water level button also is there. You want child lock system also is there. You want press power button and starting, and 2 times rotation. Afterwards you press pin and delay button also at a time. Simultaneously.
Child lock.
Yes, child lock.
Oh.
Releasing same kind of. Yes.
Okay, any special features as to why people should buy this particular washing machine?
This is only washing quality is very good, and drum also is different. One stainless steel drum, and service also very good.
How many years warranty comes with this?
10 years motor warranty, 2 years servicing warranty.
Okay. And any other features on saving water?
What manual washing depend washing machine water use is very high. Washing machines.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.